Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. This is CryptoPhil and today I just bought 5 different tokens, okay? I'm just adding 5 more tokens for my crypto portfolio. I bought 6 tokens today. So 3 will be high risk and 3 will be low risk. Now, also, let's see a very interesting data. What I found out, it's called a DCA BTC. So I'm not sure if you know about this website, but it's pretty phenomenal. So here you can play around let me just put my movie, there we go. Here you can play around everything, okay? You can see how much, if you put 10 bucks, so you put 10 bucks for the weekly, once a week, for the last 3 years, 1 year, 6 months, so I will just put 3 years, and starting 3 years ago, and how much you're going to make, okay? And if you go for the last 3 years, you will see that average you put 1,570, it costs you total invested, but you made almost double your money in 3 years. This is DCA only into Bitcoin, okay, in today value. Now 100% only in BTC. This website is only for BTC. It's very sad there are no different coins. If you know any website who is showing different coins, let me know so I can I can do more research. 9 months right now, I'm starting to DCA into different altcoins, okay? Even Bitcoin, I didn't buy still Bitcoin, but I'm trying to buy over 100 Bitcoins, okay? Over 100 different altcoins, and I'm trying to DCA when the market is low, because when the market crack on up, it's different when you DCA when the market is slow, going up, and different when the market is going up and going from up going low. So that's what I like to start now. So that's what I'm doing for the last few weeks. So I start this journey. If you see here, I did full portfolio here. You will see, let me just move my corner. You will see basically my everything. So I start from the 6th of February, okay, 7th of February, 11th of February, 11 yesterday, I bought 25 tokens, and today is 12. It's when you watch this video, probably will be 13th of February, and I just bought 5 different tokens, and I'm spending $25 for each token. So that's my goal. If some of them are extremely risky, I'm going to spend $15, okay? Also, in the description, you will find my crypto portfolio, okay? What is this one here? 2023 2025 crypto portfolio, okay, and you will see that I spent $898. The link of this portfolio will be into the description, and here you will see, if you go to VeChain, if you press the VeChain, you will see the hash, the transaction hash, where I'm buying for every single token, where I'm buying, and you can follow if this is real or not real. I just want to be more transparent. So let's go on, let's see what I did both today, what kind of 6 tokens. So the less risky, what I got today is ApeCoin, okay? ApeCoin, we know ApeCoin, it's a pretty wild, it's very wild token. It's 80% down from all-time high, so that's what I want to buy. And also in the last 30 days only did 9%, so this token didn't even start. So if you zoom out, you will see where I'm buying the tokens. I know you can never get the bottom, or you can never buy on the bottom, or you can never sell on the top. So I think the best way is DCA. And remember that everything what I'm saying here is only my personal opinion, which means don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything. This video is only for experimental and education purposes only. So this is one of the coins. Second one, I bought some Algo, okay? Why I bought Algo? Because Algo is already 93% down, okay? All-time high was 350, and today you're paying only 25 cents. So we're talking about 12x just to hit all-time high. I think, according to me, this is so undervalued, okay? Trading volume is already 69 million, okay? And maximum supply is 10, and here is 7, so we have around 30% to go up. Now, what is not to worry a lot. Next one what I bought is IMX, okay? Immutable X. This one is going up in the last 30 days, so I just start to DCA a little bit. I know it's going up, however, it's still 89% down from all-time high. This is the third who is less risky than the next three tokens. The next three tokens, what I got is Vital World, okay? So this is also into the metaverse. It's a absolutely amazing graphic what they have. However, this is risky, guys. Is this going to go 2, 3, 10, 20x? 100x, or is going to go to 0? No one knows, but we're going to find out together. So I bought this one in gate.io. Also you can buy in KuCoin, okay? What else? Uniswap, I'm not going there because I'm only spending $25, so it doesn't worth for me to buy in Uniswap because the fee are extremely high. Okay, now the problem here is the circulation supply is only 100 million, and this is 500 million. But hey, is the risk what we take? The next one, what I think can do very well, is Doge Chain. Okay, so Doge Chain is basically it's going to go together with the Doge coin. Okay, so if Elon Musk start implementing Doge into the Twitter as a payment method, I think this has potential to explode. Okay, trading volume is only 1.5 million, and it's on market cap. The market cap is only 24 million. What have potential to go a long way up. Again, I bought this one on gate.io, and in the last 30 days only did 40%. I bought today because we saw a nice dip of 30% in the last 7 days. So if you go in the last 30 days, you will see that have a nice run up, and then it was to 0.022, dip down now to 1.5, and I bought. So went up, went down to 50%, pretty much from the all-time up to now, to this price, from this price what was like few weeks ago, and that's what I start to DCA. And the last token what I got is give me a second, nope. The last token is UFO Gaming. Now, this token is also extremely risky. The market cap is only 47 million. It's 97% down from all-time high. Now, today went already 12% when I'm doing this video. I know, it's a little bit up, but it's 97% down. So if you zoom out, look where I'm buying the token. So I'm buying right here. I don't want to buy right there. Can you see? This is where I'm buying the tokens, right here. Let me just zoom out. There we go. So this is where I'm buying the tokens, right here. So I'm starting to DCA right here, right around here, and I'm going to DCA for the next few weeks. If the price dip more, I'll buy again. If the price dip more, I'll buy again. If the price go up, maybe I'll buy a little bit, but that's about it. So that's what I'm trying to do. Again, if you never watch my video, for more you give, more you receive, I highly recommend go and watch. It's mean the world to me. Again, if you have any tokens or coins, or if you have any website where I can do DCA for different tokens except BTC, please let me know. I'm more than happy to mention in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any kind of gems you want to share, or you want me to look, or if you want me to invest. Let me know, and maybe we can get in together. Again, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. This is Crypto. Is nothing here financial advice. You do you, and I do I. Goodbye.